In this video, we're going to look at making your own QR code. So you could go to Google and basically type in how to make a QR code, and you're going to find multiple sites that give you different ways to do it. This one here is kind of cool. So basically this, you'll see the website, it's goqr.me, and what you have all of these different options as far as how what you want to use, but in this case what we want to do is we want to make a link. So here's mine, http://bill.getProRewards. Now this would be for sending people to a free app. So here's the QR code that was generated, and there's two options I have here. I can download it, and you see that this actually gives you the ability to change the pixels if you want a PNG file, and that typically has a transparent background, or a JPEG. And basically this is pretty straightforward. Here you can change the color of the code itself. You could change the background of it, but remember, if it's not enough contrast, your phone or a phone may not be able to scan it quite properly. So I would just think of that as you're considering how to what the colors for your QR code should be. Okay, and so basically let's go ahead and download it as a JPEG. In this case, you see the file being downloaded, and here I'm going to go ahead and open it, and we'll open it as a photo, and there we have the code. So if you were to take your phone right now and scan that, you're going to see that it will go to my free app page. Okay, now the other option of what they're allowing here, or what they're offering I should say, is embedding that. So for example, if you had a WordPress blog or something like that and you weren't sure how to do the JPEG, although the JPEG is probably just as easy, you can also embed this, and you'll see what they're doing here is they're actually keeping that code on their server, and then you're just going to go ahead and put it in. So here we have the actual image, and if I wanted to copy and paste that into a blog, say a widget, whatever the case might be, I could put that in, and it's going to display the QR code there as well. So those are the two primary things. They do have other options here. If you use this particular text one, then you can type it out, and when I scan this with my iPhone, it actually opens up what looks like a notepad and puts that text in there. So that's almost like so that's pretty cool. And here you have a V-card, so you could actually put all of this information together, and when someone scans that, it would add it to their contacts. Here's a text message with a phone, so if you said text me, you could actually put together this could actually be your phone number. Now remember, while this is cool, it is very likely that there's a lot of people that don't either know how to use a QR code, they don't know how to scan it, they would have to download an app to their phone. So don't go crazy with this, and don't have the lack of information on your contact. If you're relying on someone connecting with you through a QR code. But it is cool, it's kind of hip. So here, if we had that and I scan it, I just want to make sure these work as I'm sharing them with you. Sure enough, when I scan that, it opened up a text message right away to that phone number and put that text in there. So there's a lot of options here on what you can do with it. A phone number to call, geolocation, boy that's pretty cool, adding something to an event calendar, sending an email, and looks like a Wi-Fi connection. But predominantly you're going to use this particular one here where you're just putting in a URL, and that is going to go to either your free rewards, you could send it to your capture page, whatever it is that you want to send them to. So there you have it. Enjoy.